I can't fucking see names.
Not
Filthy, you're going over there with him, please.
That's east.
Over where?
Or west.
West, yes.
Okay,
I'll get to the map. Unless... Yeah, Filthy, you're going with him. I want my Montana, play your middle like Montanas do. Dad, I want you in the same position over here, the cruiser corner. And Piper, we're going to do the daring in like this. Obviously, if, you know, we spot shit a whole, you know, don't do it, obviously. There's a crazy ton of stuff up there. Doa, I want you to go over and support Filthy.
B?
Over at B.
Okay.
Maybe take, I believe we call it C4, somewhere out there.
Yeah.
Well, if he's going that wide, where am I going? Nick?
I want you out there too. I want you out there too.
Okay, all right.
AP or HE or Filth?
Depends on what you're shooting at and what angle he's got.
Alright, no, I got that part of it, but what do you start out with each?
Alright guys, comms. This is going to be the same idea. We're playing defensively. As said, this is a heavy hitting team, so we're going to have to hit pretty hard back. But this is a defensive game that we're going to play. And who's that? Shower, I kind of like where you're at right there.
Yeah, I'm trying to cover both in case you need it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Piper, if you run into serious resistance up there, just back right out, brother. We are not committing to suicide.
Luckily, they only have 2 radar ships, so that's nice for me.
Stalingrads. Out on the flanks out there, yep.
Blank.
A little farther north, there's a Stalingrad.
Everybody stay patient. Don't fire unless you have to. Don't fire unless they give you a good broadside, okay, guys? Let's make the shots count. Yep, fire out the broadsides. Yep. I tell you what, Doa, Filthy, combated a little, but see if you can get out if you can. That's a lot. Looks like their whole force is probably going to be over there. Ooh, they like me. Got one coming down the middle. Piper, coming to the... You know what? Let's hold off on that.
Yamato's giving me a broadside.
Filthy, you're the caller over there.
Did you tell us to withdraw?
That's what he did.
If you can safely, yes.
Right.
Piper, let's get in the cap.
Yep. That was heading right there.
Doa, with what's left of your hit points, run.
I think I've hit yet.
That's me that's low.
Yep, you're gonna have to fight them off, but, you know, obviously, is what it is.
Auto's shooting at me.
Twilight, keep running, buddy. I am detected over here, Piper. I could use, something. I don't know what's going on here. Oh, yep, there it is there. Torps in the water, boys. Watch out.
Smoke screen set.
That is the idea. If I don't eat a fucking torp. Good job. The destroyer is over here, Piper.
Slow.
I'm not too worried because it's only a gearing.
Data, can you engage the Zal, please?
Yes.
Well, I can't get unspotted, so I'm just gonna have to...
Wow.
Fight it out, Filthy.
Oh no, that must have been the Zal torpedoes then.
Shower. See if you can do anything to him, would you?
The Stalingrad?
Just
That's
scare
what
him.
I'm trying to. He's positioned himself just about right where I have my...
If that, or hit him. I don't know. Come on up, Data. Let's get up here.
Yeah, I'm pushing.
We're gonna start the A
full speed.
push. Doa, you might as well
I'm
kind
hitting
of
him,
make
but
your
I'm-
way up here.
Yeah, if I can. Every time I turn, I give somebody a broadside and they shoot at me.
Okay.
I was backing up.
Stalingrad's on fire over there, guys.
All stations, concentrate fire on the target.
I think this guy's AFK. No, he's not.
God dang it.
Piper, I think this DD's over here with me.
No, he's on the other side.
Is
Built
he?
is down.
Keep coming, Twilight. Throw torps.
Data, where do you mean he's on the other side? Where do you mean?
I didn't say that.
The destroyer's on the other side. I think you hit the Zao torpedoes.
Alright, let's hard push into A. Piper, stealth cap A. Oh shit, there's a fucking
There's a
Stalingrad
muscle
there.
down there. That's gonna be hard.
Stay out of his radar range. Oh
Alright, that
shit.
Stalingrad's moving. You want me to swing around and point in more towards A? Yeah, that's what I was trying to figure out how they wanted me to come.
I heard you, dude. I'm working on it.
Twilight, just delay him as long as you can, brother.
The freaking
Engine boost
Giving them
rod is on fire. Should be getting
How
some
long's-
broadsides there, Montana.
Yeah, how long is this the Stalingrad's radar?
Like 30 seconds, I think.
Oh god damn it. Why is it so long?
What, 25 or 30, depending on whether he's got the module. Probably does.
Yeah, he hurt me there. Oh shoot! Motto's right there. Gonna get hurt.
Fuck.
I might just hit the Stalingrad torpedoes. Yes! They all hit. That's
Yeah,
fantastic.
you got it. Nice.
Doa,
Yes,
turn around and engage.
I am engaging.
Okay, good.
Get that Yamato looks like.
Get your bow in.
He may not be able to do that.
Pushing A.
Pointing at me.
Yes, Data, we're pushing.
Generator started.
I just got caught on the island up here. But
Yeah,
we
no problem. Just
we have to be
double check.
careful because we're gonna get crossfired if we do. So let's be careful
Yep.
doing it.
That
And-
Sal's gonna.
Yeah, actually. Fuck. Good
Oh,
job,
nice.
Nice.
Good job.
Data. Belay that order. Come to a stop.
Okay.
The DD's gonna come up and back this guy up. Pop your radar, Data.
Screen set.
I'm detected just now, so.
This is Zao.
Yeah, it is.
Like that fucking
I'm not
on
detected.
fire now.
Yeah, I have huge detection.
That hurt.
That. Shit. What are we doing here? Let's engage the Stalingrad fast.
Activated.
Okay.
I got my hydro up,
Clear.
Data.
As
Yep.
soon as
Let's,
I clear.
oh yeah, let's speed right into him, brother. We're gonna
Incoming,
obviously
there's Stalingrad. You go ahead back up there, sweetheart.
Problem solved,
listen. We're
sir.
gonna take shots from the Zao, but we gotta survive it.
Yeah.
Got one more hit on him.
I got it. I got it.
Gonna get out good because he's gonna get out of my range before.
All right,
Where's that
I
Henry?
just run into a fucking.
chatter, guys, chatter. Time to your radar, Data.
Minute 28.
All right, we're gonna help the Henry. All right, let's hit him. But we are going to move towards Bravo. Bravo.
Not A.
No, I want to move
Bravo?
towards Bravo.
You gotta get Alpha, don't you? It's undefended.
All right, Data, let's do it.
You want me swinging back around, head south towards that Henry?
No, now we're gonna go for Alpha. The guys are right.
Okay.
Looks like Doa and
There's a
Twilight are
Henry.
gonna have to survive.
What?
There's a
I'll have a
Henry
shot at
between
him when he
us
comes
and
out.
me.
He's giving me a broad.
Well, I mean, Data, let's just... There you go. Zal's up.
The Henry's there too.
Okay. We gotta do...
I'm
Oh, shit. Alright, Data... Oh, shit. Henry has 9-kilometer torps, buddy. You might want to come to a stop.
Yeah, I'm slowing down. Throw his torps off. You want me to turn into him or into the Zao?
I honestly wouldn't turn either way. If you can come to a stop and beat yourself, all the better.
Yeah, I'm undetected again.
Okay, good.
Torps, somewhere else.
Yeah, those are Zao
Enemy is
torps.
about to win.
We're winning, guys.
Radar's available.
Shower, if you can put a shot into the Zao.
Okay, he's gonna come up. Do.
Alright, looks like your guys' bigger priority is the DD.
Henry over here is almost dead.
Generator started.
Finish him.
Can't. I'm dead. Took it all out of him. Just about all of it out of him.
Data, don't move.
Here he comes.
No problem. Is he gonna ram me? Is that what he's gonna do?
No. Well, I thought he was gonna taunt me, but can't taunt me now. No, yes, he
Engine
can.
boost deactivated.
Taught me with both sets.
Okay, no problem.
Smoke screen set.
Zao is stopped.
The Gehring and the Henry are going to be going in the sea here real quick.
Let's get Twilight and Shower to come back around.
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna have to defend it. Oh! That's how we win. Alright, Data, let's survive. I'm still detected by the Zao. Yeah, we gotta defend C. We have 1 minute, guys. Stay alive for 1 minute. Nobody dies.
Or you got to run down to B. You only got those
want me
3
to
guys
Don't-
left.
don't-
No,
don't
Data.
don't need B.
Data,
Oh.
you come up here with me right now.
Okay, someone's in C already.
Go back to
That's in
C.
C right now.
Get back in it. Data, go down to
That's
Charlie.
the Gehring. Shower, if you can get your
Which
guns
way?
around
No,
there,
I'm calling the
Henry's
match.
almost
I'm
dead.
calling the match. Quiet.
I'm just
Data.
telling you what's over there.
Yeah, I know. Data,
Hey,
come up
Abby.
here with me. I want Twilight to
Yeah.
re-engage at Charlie, and I want Shower with him.
Get your guns around, Shower, because if he lights up that Henry, he's dead. You'll kill him in one volley. He had just a sliver left.
1 minute 40, guys.
Every-
Shh. Fuck you.
Torps north.
Data, if you can help me, man.
Yeah, I'm getting my gun swung around.
Yeah.
If everybody lives, we don't need another cap to win.
There's the Henry.
No. Okay.
He healed a little bit. How many guys you guys win on time?
If
That
you
was
can kill
Henry.
that Henry, do it, man.
Enemy destroyer sighted.
Gehring right there.
Fire some of the magical torps you got, Twilight. Data,
Critical engine damage.
Yep.
please fire on the Zao.
Torpedoes
so.
to port.
You're gonna need help with that. Gehring over here, guys. He's gonna torp your battleship.
All stations. Concentrate fire on the target below the waterline.
Wow, we are getting fucking jebaited, man.
Concentrate fire on the designated target.
Take it around on him. Broadside,
Can't believe this is
Henry.
happening.
Dead. Nice job. 34 seconds, guys. Broadside Henry over here.
Firing on him. Please do something magical over there, Data.
22 seconds, guys.
18 seconds.
Does it work to ram him?
Ram
you can
him if
ram
yeah.
him. As long as
Okay,
one guy
don't ram
stays
him.
alive, you're okay. Ram him.
Data, don't ram him.
Good. 2 seconds, guys. 998. Done. Good job.
Ooh.
Holy cow.
3 in a row, boys. Now I'm taking a fucking break.
I had 118,000 in damage on the freaking Moskva.
Hectic calling, boys. That was good job, everybody. It was a shit show, lots of chatter, but we won. Nice. So what was that? That was that was close to becoming a loss. That really was. Do we ram? No, yes, no, yes. All right. Everybody up to muster hall.
True.
User left
Yep.
your channel.
Oh, Twilight.
Very.